Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Tinder app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.